Let's start with the preparation for oats upma. In a non-stick pan, I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and when it starts spluttering, add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, that's gram dal. In Tamil it's Kadalai parupu. Just let it roast and turn light brown. This is just to give a crunchy effect. If you don't have, please add 1 teaspoon of peanuts. And now I'm going to be adding finely chopped ginger and green chillies, followed by finely chopped onions. And sort it all together until the onions turn light brown. Now the onions are almost done. It's golden brown and translucent. So I'll add grated carrots, just to add some vegetables to the oats upma, followed by fresh green peas. You can either use fresh green peas or frozen ones. Now we will let the vegetables just get cooked with some salt. These vegetables get cooked very fast. We'll add 2.5 cups of water. Today I'll be making 1 cup of oats, so it's just more than double. And let the water boil, and I've added some Maggi Masala to add some flavor. If you don't have, you can add some cumin powder and some red chilli powder, followed by 1 cup of oats, and mix it all together. And we are just gonna leave the oats to get cooked in the hot water. Close the lid and leave it for 5 minutes, and the oats will start absorbing the water and get cooked quickly. If you want a thick consistency, just leave it for another 2 minutes or so, and you can see the oats has absorbed all the water, and you have a healthy breakfast oats upma ready with some vegetables also. Enjoy!